Continuing on with our discussion of customizing your Unity user interface, on each one of these tab panels, you might have seen there's a little tiny drop-down menu hiding in the upper right corner of each one, and this allows you some pretty basic controls. You can maximize each one of these, and then if you minimize it back, it'll go back to its default position. You can close the tab altogether. If you do that, in this case for the project view, boom, we just lose the project view. It's not like it gets ripped off and is floating, it is just gone. If for some reason we wanted to bring that back, we can grab any one of the other panels, go to its drop-down, choose Add Tab, and now we can add in another project view. Now notice, because I added that to the hierarchy view, it's now a tabbed view within hierarchy. So if I wanted to put it back where it was, I could just grab the project tab, drag it, and just dock it here on the right-hand side, and it goes right back to where it was, like that. Now, again, I didn't mean to maximize that, but
it does bring up a good point. The maximize is similar to hitting the space bar on a particular window.
That's true. If you tap spacebar while you are focusing your mouse over a particular view, you can expand that and contract that.
Just a handy little speed tip.
Oh yeah, it's really useful for the viewport. So I mean, if you know that you're going to do something very viewport intensive and you just really need to get everything else out of your way, just tap the viewport. When you're done, tap it again, and that brings back the rest of the user interface. Now you can add as many of these tabs as you like. So, you know, for instance, we could say over here in the hierarchy view, if we want to animate something, we could go over to Add Tab and add an animation view, and then just jump in between these tabs at any given point. So if we know we're animating, we can slide this over, and now we've just created our own kind of customized layout for that. And again, it's kind of a simple concept, but it is one of those things that's easy to overlook because you do have this a little bit, you know, it's everywhere, and unless you've clicked on it, you might not have realized it. You have access to all of the hidden tabs as well as all of the common tabs available to you here inside the Unity UI, and that's the basics of it. Lee, is there anything else you want to throw in?
No, that's it.
All right, so that's going to wrap things up for this video. Thanks a lot.